Thank you so much. I got a visitor. I was about to say new, but she's been visiting us for quite some time, for maybe more than 15 years, maybe.
More than
So,
that.
so anyway, again, she visited us today, and her name is Karen. Karen or Karen.
Hello.
Hi.
I just want to say happy retirement.
Thank you.
I'm glad that you're gonna be going on adventures now.
Hopefully.
Oh, well, that's good though. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. And thank you for stopping by.
Well, thank you so much for everything. I'm gonna miss you.
Oh, same here.
When you go on your
I'm gonna
adventures.
miss you. Yeah.
My gosh.
And since you went all the way this far watching us, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you
Yes,
so much.
I will.
And then her is going to be soon, so stay tuned
Stay
for the
tuned.
update. Thank you. Bye.